everyone, I'm Wagga Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up when they do the Sephora Vib sale haul, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, maybe I shouldn't try and toss two boxes at the same time. This is actually one order, but it was shipped out separately. And by the way, this is haul number one. Yes, I went and made a second haul, and I may be doing a third. I know, I'm so bad. Leave me a comment and let me know if you've done a haul yet from the Sephora VIB sale, or if you've done multiples like me. Alright, before I dive in, I want to give an announcement. Yay, I finally hit 1.5k subscribers. Thank you to everyone who is subscribed. And if you're watching this now and you aren't, feel free to do so. That only took 3 years and 3 months. But if you keep at something long enough, you'll finally hit your goals. All right, I want to congratulate the winner, who is Mel the Muppet Slayer. I love her screen name. Mel, I need you to email me. You can find my email address in any one of my videos in the description. All right, let's start unboxing. I'm going to open up this box here. This is the last box to arrive that has the one product inside. I'm super excited. Yay, I finally got it. This here is from One Size. It's the Cheek Clapper, and I have it in the shade Phat A. I'm monetized now, so don't want to say that word out loud. It will float on screen. Okay, so this packaging is really cute. It has more weight to it than you might think. It is plastic, but it does have some metal on the edge here. And, oh, that is so easy to open. Okay, one mini complaint. I hate when just any compact doesn't open all the way, but at least it opens more than halfway. Would you look at that? Beautiful. All right, so the top shade is a cream product, and it has a nice little cover. And then the bottom two are powders, and you do have the little plastic bit to cover that. All right, let's do some swatches. All right, that's what they look like swatched. My lighting is not representing how bright they are in person, but that is just a flat out swipe. Let me do some blending so you can see what they look like. All right, I went in a little heavy handed just so that you could see them on camera. Gorgeous. All right, don't you worry. I will be doing a video soon using all of the products that I snagged in the VIB sale. Okay, let's dive into the main box here that has the rest of the haul. All right, she's filled to the rim. I already took this off the top. So excited. There's a product in here that I've been wanting to try for a long time, and I finally picked it up. Several people I follow have been raving about this product, and they always put it in their favorites. That product is here from NARS. It's the Laguna Bronzing Cream. Lately, I've been on a cream kick, both in the blush department and when it comes to contour bronzing. This is what the packaging looks like. It's plastic, but made to look kind of like metal, and this is too light to be glass. I think it's a nice acrylic. That there is the product. Ooh, that does look really good. All right, yes. Ooh, that is an awesome, really nice, neutral, not really cool tone, but not orange or too warm for my skin tone. I'm going to enjoy using that. All right, next product I'm super excited about. Come on, lights, don't wash it out. This here is from Rare Beauty. It's the Positive Light Silky Touch Highlighter, and I got it in the shade Mesmerize. Oh, interesting packaging. It's plastic, but it's kind of a domed, round, compact, very lightweight. It does come with a mirror. Ooh, would you look at that? I've heard really good things about this highlighter. Again, some people I follow rave about this. So soft. Okay, look at that. OMG. All right, let's do a swatch. It is very pink. It's right there but that will look so nice on the skin. Am I already wearing highlighter? Of course I am. Is that going to stop me for adding more? No. And see what she looks like. All right. Ooh. That is some nice. Ooh, okay, so it's right here, not on this side. Can you see the difference? I can. Let's match both sides. That is gorgeous. You know how much I love my Ofra? That is just as good, if not better. Okay, yay. Without even really trying, it looks like I'm gonna have close to a full face of makeup to do that try-on video with. All right, next product, I have something from Charlotte Tilbury. This here is the Brilliant Radiant Concealer, and I have it in the shade Too Fair Pale. All right, this is what the packaging looks like. Please be a good shade match. Please be a good shade match. You know, when you shop online. Ooh, okay. Let's put it right next to that contour bronzer. I think that is going to be good. Yay me. All right, it's right there. And yes. Okay. Now, if only it will be a good formula and not look dry or cakey. All right, I had to take advantage of the 20% off coupon. Thank you, Nola, for sharing your coupon with me. And pick up a super bougie, or at least bougie to me, eyeshadow palette. I got this one here from Huda Beauty. It's the new Nude palette. Who knows how many years it's been out. But you know I'm always late to the train and refuse to pay full price. So I was excited, but guess what? The day after I made this haul on Sephora, Huda's website had a 25% off sale. I'm like, come on. Just my luck. Oh well. So this is what the packaging looks like. And inside, if you don't already own it, or if you're like me and behind the times, this is what the color story looks like. That is right up my alley. You have some nice soft pastels, some beautiful kind of warmy pinks into kind of some orange shades a little bit, and then you have all of these gorgeous shimmers. I am so excited. I now have that in my collection. The last two items I picked up via points. I was perusing the bazaar and the word waterproof caught my eye, and it was for a mascara, and I thought, you know what? Let me give it a try. That was this mascara here from IT Cosmetics, and this is called Superhero. I've heard really good things about their mascaras. Oh, interesting. It is a very thin, skinny wand, so maybe this will be perfect for underneath my eyes, the lower lash line. That's what we call it. Not the lash line, the lower lashes. So yay, for 100 points, why not? And as you're probably aware, I am on the hunt for a good black gel eyeliner that I can put on my top waterline that will not transfer down to my lower waterline. I actually had this product in my cart and decided, nah, I don't want it. And then I saw it in the bazaar, so I thought, yep, for 100 points. That product is this guy here from Urban Decay. It's the 24x7 Glide On Eyeliner Pencil. And that is a pretty decent size for 100 points. I'm assuming full size is only maybe 2 inches taller. So 100 points saved me, I want to say this retails for $26. Don't go beyond that. But hopefully she is a good one. So that was everything in my haul. And unbeknownst to me, I practically have a complete full face of makeup, short of foundation. So, you know, mascara, and I always come prepared with my own mascara, but now I have a mascara, an eyeliner, eyeshadow palette, concealer, gorgeous highlighter, nice cream bronzer, and a beautiful blush trio. What are your thoughts of my haul? I'm digging it, obviously. I made the purchase, but these are some products that I've been wanting to try for quite some time. And I'm always thrilled when someone shares their VIB Rouge code with me. The past two sales, it was Heather. This time it was Nola. One of these days I will qualify myself. Right now I'm VIB, but not quite rouge. How much do you have to spend to be rouge? Don't tell me if you if you don't want, but I feel like I should be there, but not quite. So I just finished filming my Sephora VIB sale haul. I go downstairs, get a drink, watch a few YouTube videos, and guess what happened? That other Sephora haul I was telling you about, it arrived. So I contemplated, do I film this as a second video, or do I come upstairs and quickly unbox this and include it in the one video? I decided just to include it in this video. I hope the video is not too long, but then that way I have all the products open and ready for me to do the try-on video. I also discovered that when I dumped out the products in that second box that had more products, one of the items rolled to the side and I missed it. So let's start with that and then I'll open this new box. So that is this product here, which is from bareMinerals. It's the Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. So before, when I said I didn't have a foundation for a full look, technically this isn't a foundation, but it is a complexion product. And if I need more coverage, I could always just put some of that concealer all around my face. All right, so this is, how many SPF does it have? 30, SPF 30 sunscreen, which is broad spectrum. By the way, this is in the shade Vanilla 02. And based off of the swatch, it looks like it may be a little dark, although my lights are so bright. Can you see it? It's right there. But let's do this. With the lighting, it doesn't look dark in person. No, I think this will be doable. I don't know. Once it goes in my face, the back of my hand is always a little lighter. All right, nothing a little self-tanner can't fix. But it feels nice. All right, do we see a difference? Slightly. All right, so that technically concludes what I got in the first Sephora haul. What's funny or sad is I actually remembered more of the items I got in my first haul. This second haul, which I only did a couple days ago, I don't remember what I got. I do remember the free samples I picked up are not what they sent me. And on the first haul, I completely forgot, or I couldn't find it on the screen. So I didn't get any free samples, kicking myself. But I know for a fact what they sent me in here is not what I selected. Oh, and I do have a foundation. Oh my goodness. All right, let's start with that. So I did want to take advantage of the 30% off the Sephora brand. I've heard really good things about this, which is their foundation. It's the best skin ever, and I got it in the shade 04N, which hopefully is neutral. And then I also have another concealer. You'll see a theme here. This is also from the Sephora brand, and this is in the shade 04 Buttercream. All right, so I went 04 on both. In the bottle, yeah, I don't know. I'm going to wait until I actually do the filming of the try-on before I take the wrappers off. Otherwise, this video will be way too long. The next product I got is from Supergoop. I've heard nothing but good things about this. It's the Every Single Face Watery Lotion SPF 50. I was so bummed. When was it? March? Ipsy? I don't know. I think they had a Supergoop that some people got in their box. It wasn't even offered as a choice for me. Oh, interesting packaging. This is really pricey and this is really small. How many mLs do we get? Oh, interesting. That is deceiving. This is 50 mLs, but look how skinny it is and short. And I'm used to 50 ml pots of like skincare being much larger than this, but hopefully it lasts a while and is as good as people claim it to be. All right, here's where the theme comes in. I got yet another concealer. I don't know what I was thinking. This here is from Urban Decay and it's the Stay Naked Quickie. I got it in the shade 20NN. Again, I hope it is truly neutral and that I did a good job shopping online, because we all know how hard that can be. Oh, interesting. It has like a brush that comes. I've never seen a concealer come packaged like that. That's interesting. I don't think I'll ever use it. And then you unscrew this part and you get a ginormous doe foot. Let's do a swatch. Oh, okay. That is a little darker than I expected, but doable. Again, my lights wash everything out in person. It's probably really close to my skin tone, which at times can be good. I also have several, okay, let's be honest, numerous concealers I purchased online that are way too light. So this will be a good one to mix and match. Now for the freebies. I can't remember what I ordered, so something will float on screen, but I know for a fact I did not order these two items. I want to say one was like a skin tint and the other was a different perfume. So they sent me the LYS, what is this, the concealer or the serum foundation. I've already tried their serum foundation. I would not pick this. So why did they send it? And then they sent this perfume sample from Dior, which, is this for men? I don't know. It's a dark green. I know I didn't pick this one. Oh, interesting. It's not a little perfume vial. Wait, is this even a perfume? What is this? Capture Youth Intense Rescue. Wait, is this skincare? What is this? Hold on. Serum. Oh, interesting. I didn't know Dior did skincare. Okay, so it's a serum sample. Tear the lid and squirt some out. There's probably enough for one use. I guess that means I get to contact customer support and maybe get some free points. All right, so now that concludes my big Sephora haul. However, the sale is still going on. I do still get 15% off, and I have a $40 in-store credit. So I gotta go actually to Sephora if I want to use that store credit, and now would be the time. And I need to remind myself, no more concealers. Goodness gracious. But I am always on the hunt for a good concealer. All right, I'm not going to do another outro. I'm going to flip over to the original outro. All right, now I want to hear your thoughts and comments. What did you think of what I picked up? Tell me, what did you pick up in your haul? Or are you still deciding what you want to purchase? Once again, congratulations, Mel the Muppet Slayer. And thank you all for stopping by and watching and supporting and subscribing. Yay, 1.5K. Woo. It took a while, but I'm finally here. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.